Hi, it's Natalie Hoye from Belcourt Property Group, and I'm standing in front of 160 Salisbury Street in Bedford, right here on the Inglewood border. This is a street front 3x1 character home that's in very livable condition as is, but the real opportunity is to get into this highly sought after location and put your stamp on this terrific home with its great bones. Let's go inside and have a look. So here we are inside, and I'm just standing here near that is the entry door there, and just to give you a sense of this great entry hallway that this property has. So you're not walking straight into living areas or anything like that. You've got a really great hallway. Off here to the right, you have got the main living area. This has really got some fantastic proportions. You've got 3 sets of sash windows, so it's really nice and light and bright. Of course, the high ceilings with the really lovely cornices, and then you come down and these really lovely wide polished boards. This is a really nice space and a really lovely room with, of course, that sort of fireplace in the middle. Really great living area. I'm going to swing around. What I particularly love about this home is it's got 3 bedrooms under the main roof, so no bedrooms in sleep outs, and they're all off this hallway that is over to the left of the entry. So this would probably be the main bedroom. It's the largest in terms of the proportions. You can see the floor plans online. You've got plenty of space for built-in robes and great, again, floorboards. Really lovely double sash window there, and a nice little further window here where you can see out the front. Just great proportions and really good bones. You know, as I said before, the opportunity with this home is to really put your own stamp on the property. This is the second bedroom. Again, good proportions. There's nice sash windows, terrific floorboards. It is in really good condition as it is. You could certainly move in and start living here. I think most people would want to do a sort of a bit of a paint and a further polish, but it is in good nick. This is the third bedroom. Again, really decent size. These are all double-sized bedrooms, high ceilings, floorboards. Again, none of the original sash windows. Just in good nick and really well presented. There is a bathroom here, so first there's a linen cupboard, and there is the bathroom here, and I'm going to show you the laundry out the back obviously as well, and that is terrific, and I think potentially a really good second bathroom option. So hello, you've got vanity and cabinet and tile shower. So it's what it is, it's just very tidy, straightforward, and in good nick as is. We then come through to the kitchen. Again, the kitchen is a decent size, and there is an opportunity to put, I think, your dining area in the back, which is in the sleep out space. But you've got this really nice sort of servery that's cut through already, so it opens it out to the back. You've got the door out. I'm going to come to the other corner, swing around. Fridge recess, place there. You've got some cabinets. You've got gas oven, just built-in cupboards and a sink. Just again, it's just tidy, really sort of just tidy and neat little setup, but obviously the opportunity is there to improve with design. And this is terrific. So this is that's going to go through the laundry. We'll have a look at that in a sec. You've got a sliding door to the backyard. Again, the great floors. It is bricked. I'm sure it's when she says that. Better go on. Oh no, it's not. It's stud frame. Stud frame to the outside, but all enclosed with the windows. This back section, though, of course, is brick. That would have been the original back section of the house. And you've got the wall at the end, but you'll see the proportions online. More than enough space here for dining, and then probably either a couch or study desk at the end there as well. And this gorgeous light that comes through. It is a northerly facing rear orientation, so you get really lovely light through the space. Here is the laundry. It is huge. There is just so much you could do with this space if you wanted to and you wanted to open it up. So you've got the toilet, which is tucked away. You can see the laundry trough, but just look at the opportunity here, you know, to do something with. I think it's terrific. Let's go and have a quick look out the back. So here we are in the backyard. What I really love about this is actually the size of the outdoor space. Again, if you look at the proportions, you'll see just how big it is. You've got this lovely wide area at the back. You've got plenty of room for terrific alfresco entertaining and garden. You've got some fruit trees, certainly the citrus there, but also look at this fantastic wide access down the side as well. So, you know, plenty of room for trampolines, for gardens, gosh, a lap pool if you wanted, certainly sheds, storage. It's just, you know, it's just all there. It's a terrific canvas for you to do something special with. So there you have it, 160 Salisbury Street in Bedford. What it is, a fantastic character home with great bones that is ripe for a further makeover. You know, for me, this is what I would buy. I'd buy something that's got everything there, but I'm not paying for someone else's renovation. I get to do that over time to my taste, and this is certainly what it affords you. Location wise, it doesn't get much better. You are right on the Inglewood border. You've got within walking distance of parks, public transport, all the attractions of the Beaufort Street Strip. Coles is just down the road if you need a major supermarket, and of course you've got all of that activity that's happening down Beaufort Street with Aldi and Woolworths, and just the, you know, everything that that this location affords. Terrific opportunity. I think you're going to be very pleasantly surprised at an inspection, and Donna and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you here soon. Have a great day.